What are you guys laughing
What?
about?
I heard something.
These guys aren't gay after all.
Change the points.
No, the one in the white shirt is pretty gay.
Newer generation.
You like it? I haven't heard you
Actually
complain.
fits in the descriptor, so you don't have to put it on the firewall. Anyway, you start that thing up, it's just great.
She's gonna marry you, Peter.
Slapstick, slap it down, punch it, and just the wheels will come on.
I've been to the race.
It's great. I'm crazy with a vinyl top. Black vinyl top.
Oh, look at that.
With the Magnum wheels, all stock. It's in Tokyo. Yeah, that car's in Tokyo. Did you see?
Yeah, that's the double.
No, I saw a friend of mine bought it. A friend of mine heard about it. He bought it.
Just point it in.
So, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's something. I see. There's a car. Awesome, baby.
Yes, then, Matt. I'll take it. You take payments?
I'll trade you. This will be a good down payment on that car. It's awesome. Very nice car. Oh. Yeah, so this has got the fans out of there. So it's got primary, see the electric fan on this side? And electric fan on this side.
Oh, really?
So primary and secondary. It doesn't need it though. I mean, it's got such a big radiator. This thing doesn't run hot. But I run it down in the desert. I take it down to Borrego. It does great. 120, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I'm sure the engine's not working hard to move this along.
Yeah, it's probably gone. And I've got the torsion bars. It's kind of twisted, so it's low. So it's the only thing is sometimes the subframes will, because it's pretty low. If you look at it, you'll see. So you do have to watch any speed bumps or any kind of whatever in the road, or if a bus like makes indentation, you know, on the road and of the tar and makes it come up, it'll scrape.
Really? How about 52 where it used to
Yeah, no.
clean that up?
No, I've actually done that. Yeah, it has bottomed out at 52.
Yeah, they've actually improved that recently.
You want to trade?
Yeah.
What year is yours?
67.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Very, very nice.
I don't think it fit in this bike space. But
Oh, it's okay.
sunshine is nice though on the side.
It is, yeah. We were over there and then we moved over here. The meter maid does come, and even though they're very nice.
So, Ray, did you get that fuel leak today?
Is that what it is now?
Why think it's your approach? Those have got
So far, I really, everybody said, no, give it a nice roll. No, it's all
No, he's right.
69, 70, 71, right?
That's right. You're right. Yeah.
And so you can see a spike in the auction sales.
Right.
From any year, 34 years, plus or minus,
That has a
you see a little bit of a spike.
So that's why those all those grass car owners.
And this is a 1970 Challenger. And you can see more pictures of this car on our website, www.socalbeachmag.net.